Good morning, students. Now in previous lectures, 2 or 3 lectures of our 11 science are based on bridge course. One lecture is oriented on trigonometry. One lecture is oriented on general information of set theory and also quadratic equation. You have studied this quadratic equation in standard 10th also, but in 11 and 12 quadratic equation is the most important chapter, so I revised all the points of quadratic equation. So 2 or 3 lectures are oriented on bridge course. What is the meaning of bridge course? Bridge means you are studied at present in 11, but in previous year you are in 10th. So between 10 and 11, suppose river is there and you have to cross that river, then you need some bridge. It is a bridge course. It is a bridge chapter or bridge course. Now question number 4. In a set theory, we reach at question number 4. Question number 4. Let us start with question number 4. Write all the sum in your fair book and also in your practice book. In a maths, you should have 2 books. One is a fair book. In a fair book, all the questions you have to write in a standard form, not a rough work is allowed. And in second book, which is a rough book, which is a practice book, practice for you. Now question number 4, write the following sets in builder form. Now question number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. So set A is equal to X such that, now we require builder form. So what is this? 3, 6, 9 and 12. ये है क्या? 3, 6, 9, 12. So it is a multiplier of 3. So it is a multiplier of 3. So we can write like this. X is equal to multiplier of 3. So it is 3n. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a builder form. If you put n equal to 1, you got x value 3 and x is 3. Or n value 2, so 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Another way to represent this sum also, इसको आप दूसरी मेथड से भी ले सकते हैं. और A is equal to, write here 3x, where x equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं. A equal to 3x. And what is the x value? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3x is multiplier of 3. So it is a builder form. First one. Second sum is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Let it be the set B. X such that. Now what is this 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32? Think over these 5 numbers. 2, then 4 is a square of 2, 8 is a cube of 2, 16 is a 4 power of 2, and 32 is a 5 power of 2. So B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 raised to n power. Now what is n value? So describe here n value. N value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And set is over. Take n value 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, all integers. Third one is, so first sum and second sum are based on numbers and it is in builder form, right? In builder form, it is called builder form. Some property is connected with this set. Now question number 3, 525, 125, 525, 125 and 625. 525, 125 and 625. It is the same as second sum. Second sum is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, which is a power of 2. So C set is x such that x is equal to ये 5 raised to 1 power, 5 square, 5 cube and 5 raised to 4. It is 5 raised to n. n की वैल्यू क्या लेनी पड़ेगी? n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same as previous. n equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now question number 4. 2, 4, 6 and dot dot dot. 2, 4, 6 and dot dot dot. Then set D is equal. Now first element is 2, second is 4, third is 6 and so on. So it is not a finite set, it is an infinite set because dot 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 is given. First, second and third sum is a finite set because number of elements are finite. हम उसको count कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें last element कौन सा है वो हम count नहीं कर सकते. तो it is a infinite set. So 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 8. So it is a table of 2. X such that it is a table of 2. X is equal to 2n and n belongs to n. D is a set of all the elements which are present in X, all the elements which are called X, such that X is equal to 2n. 2n is multiplier of 2. N belongs to n. If you take n value 1, so 2, 2 2s are 4, like this. 1, 4, 9, 100 and 5 number 1, 4, 9 and 100. See, 1, then second number is 4, third number is 9, then dot dot dot. There are many numbers between 9 and 100. But this number shows perfect square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 100 square. So it is set E X such that X such that perfect square X is equal to n square. What is n value? तो ये 1 का स्क्वायर, 2 का स्क्वायर और 10 का स्क्वायर. n की वैल्यू 10 तक ले सकते हो. तो 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 10 and n belongs to n. n की वैल्यू आप 1 और 10 के बीच ले सकते हो, 1 और 10 भी ले सकते हो, because 10 square is 100, but n में लेंगे. तो ये fifth number. So it is a practice of builder form. Now question number 5. List all the elements of the following set. Reverse. See equation number 1. A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. अब यहाँ जो काम किया उससे ये रिवर्स. अब इसमें some property of set is given और आपको इसमें एलिमेंट्स लिखने. तो ये में कौन से एलिमेंट्स आएंगे? ऑल ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odd or natural number. But last element, we don't know last element. So dot dot dot, it is an infinite set. Second, b is equal to x is an integer x is an integer minus 1 by 2 or 9 by 2. इसका मतलब x एक इंटीजर नंबर है. पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव वो शो नहीं किया. इसका मतलब पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव कोई भी हो सकता है, लेकिन x की वैल्यू माइनस 1 by 2 से 9 by 2 के बीच. अब माइनस 1 by 2 is equal to minus 0.5 and 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. Now on number line, what happens? It is 0, यहाँ पे minus 1 और 4.5, तो यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पे 4. You know this number line. 0, all negative numbers are left hand side and positive numbers, integers, are right hand side. Integers and all real numbers also. Now our first value is minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 lies over here. And last number is 4.5. 4.5 lies over here. और हमको इसके बीच में जितने भी नंबर्स है उसमें से इंटीजर्स लेने हैं. तो कौन से इंटीजर्स आएंगे? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are not concerned with all the numbers lies between 1 and 2, 1.1, 1.5, 2.7. We are not concerned because of this word integer. Then our answer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See the number line. How I think about this number line, or it is a thinking process. Show the number line first of all. You think about these numbers. So our answer is 0, and से लेके 4 तक. So our answer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if it is given x is a positive integer, तो 0 नहीं ले सकते. Because 0 is a special number. It is not considered as positive or negative. You can't bifurcate 0 as a positive number or 0 as a negative number. Now question number 3. Set C is equal to minus 2, C equal to x integer x such that x is an integer but condition is x square is less than or equal to 4. X square is less than or equal to 4. now x is an integer. इसमें भी integer बोला है, positive और negative integer नहीं बोला. इसका मतलब you can take positive number or negative number. And then what is x value and what is x square value? How to think this sum? If you take x value 0, its square is 0. X value is plus or minus 1. You can take minus integer also. If x value is plus or minus 1, its square is 1. If your x value is plus or minus 2, its square is 4. If you take x value plus or minus 3, its square is 9. But given as per given condition, x square is less than or equal to 4. X square is equal to 4 is allowed, but less than 4 compulsory. So x square less than 4 condition is satisfied with these three numbers. You can't take this because it is a 9. And x square equal to, if you take x square equal to 9, so 9 is not less than or equal to 4. Here it is a wrong. So, but we are interested in x value. It is a condition. So what about the x value? X value is 0, plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. And we are interested in x value because x value is our set. So x value is 0, plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. It is a third sum. Some condition is given. But if in the same sum, x is a positive integer and same condition is given, then your answer is 0, 1 and 2. If it is given that x is only negative integer, x is only negative integer, then your answer is minus 1 and minus 2. Now question number 4. D is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. X is a letter in the word loyal. It is a very easy sum. Loyal एक word दिया हुआ है, loyal, L-O-Y-A-L. But if you write this letter in the set, then first alphabet is L, second is O, third is Y, fourth one is A, and fifth one is L. But L is already counted. And don't write L again in the set. Same numbers are not allowed in the set. Again. Then question number 5. E is equal to X is a month of year not having 31 days. X is a month of the year not having 31 days. It means X is a month, is a name of month of the year. How many months in the year? There are 12 months in the year. But we required those months which not have 31 days. The first one is January. But January having 31 days, it is not counted. Then February having 29 or 28 days. Then March having 31. not counted. April having 30 days. April, then May, and May having 31 days, not counting. Then June having 30 days, it is counted. July and August both are continue month, but both having 31 days. July having 31 days and August having 31 days. Then September having 30 days, October having also 31 days, and then November having 30 days. Last month is December having 31 days. The month having 31 days are not counted. The remaining months are only these 5. It is our answer. So it is a listed form of set E. And last sum is X such that X is consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. X is a which precedes K. B, C, D, F, G, H, B, C, D, F, G, H, and J. Now, what is the meaning of this? X is a consonant. It means it is not a vowels. An English alphabet which precedes K. इस K से पहले, तो K से पहले A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. अब K से पहले, इसका मतलब K is not counted. K से पहले ऐसे कितने कॉन्सोनेंट्स है इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में, जो कॉन्सोनेंट्स, तो सबसे पहले K से पहले कितने वॉवेल्स है, रिमूव दोस वॉवेल्स. वॉवेल्स आर A, E and I, and remaining are B, C, D, F, G, H and J. In English alphabets there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, and I are covered in this list, and remove those vowels. The remaining elements are consonant which are before K, which are before K. So your answer is B, C, D, F, G, H, and J. So this is a practice of builder form to the property to the builder form, right? See the board and write in your notebook.